Welcome back. We begin this segment with news that the Portmore Municipality is reporting that delivery companies in Portmore St. Catherine are being disparaged by bigger players in the market. Now, those players are from Kingston-based delivery services who've been capitalizing on the e-commerce National Delivery System ENDS pilot program. There was great excitement leading up to the start of the e-commerce National Delivery System ENDS pilot program in Portmore St. Catherine. Delivery men from the municipality were especially pleased.
It's a very good idea.
I feel good because, honest living at the end of the day.
Weeks into the program, several of them are now calling it quits. We spoke to a few of them who did not want to be interviewed on camera, but the general complaint is that delivery companies from Kingston and St. Andrew have infiltrated the Portmore market. When contacted, Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas says he's received reports that fast food restaurants have been giving priority to who the delivery men have described as the outsiders.
The big players are ruling out the local riders from Portmore. And the fact of the matter that this service started long ago in Portmore, where you have the bikers normally do delivery to our residents. And for this program to now come on street and then they are excluding them from out of it, it is not fair, and this is something that we plan to have discussion with the minister going forward.
As it turns out, the fast food restaurants are benefiting most from the ENDS so far. As for the pan chicken vendors,
the pan chicken man have a little problem. As we said in the beginning, that we have a pilot project going on in Portmore. We not yet sort out the pan chicken men, because when you look over the period of the lockdown over the last 2 weeks or so, the pan chicken men in Portmore was absent of the most areas that they normally operate from. They're having a challenge where they are not fully on the system as yet.
the mayor is hoping that with more supermarkets registering to participate in the program, it will provide new opportunities for the local delivery men.
The wholesale also want the opportunity, just like how the supermarket will get the opportunity to open. The wholesale want to do their delivery, just like how you will call in and order from the bigger players. They want to be a part of.
In Portmore, there are over 20 businesses registered to participate in the ENDS program, 15 pan chicken men and 108 delivery men. Still in Portmore, an appeal from the police for residents to be on the lookout for migrating criminals who are causing a spike in certain crimes in the area. More in this report.
The good news is that shootings, rape, aggravated assault, robberies and break-ins are down in the St. Catherine South Police Division. Bad news is that murders are up 20% and larceny 80%. Head of the St. Catherine South Police, Senior Superintendent Clive Blair, gave the breakdown for murders from the start of this year to April 3.
Portmore has 5, Bridgeport has 4, Caymanas has 2, Waterford 7, and Hellshire 2.
There are many crimes that have been committed by persons who are not residing within the municipality, but they come in for a short term and they get out.
Deputy Superintendent Hopeton Nicholson is in charge of operations in the St. Catherine South Police Division. He notes that migrating criminals are creating a problem for the police, particularly in the Portmore area. He wants residents to be vigilant.
They are renting places, they are making friends with persons, so we are asking, help us to identify some of these red flags so we can question some of these persons to see who they are, where they are coming from, when they're coming into this space, whether it be your neighbor, whether it be somebody next to your business.
17 firearms seized up to April 3 this year compared to 10 over the same period last year, and a recent find of over 1,200 pounds of ganja-like matter. The police did not make any arrests in that incident, but say the increase in criminal activities in Portmore extends beyond Jamaican borders.
We also arrested and charged 4 Asians that somehow found their way to Jamaica and found their way to Nago's Head quite recently. So that matter is before court.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.